once again.
Oh, hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Techno Holic. Today we are going to unbox a newly launched smartphone by Honor, that is Honor 10 Lite.
Over the new Honor 10 Lite, the successor of Honor's 9 Lite, launched last year. So as always, packaging is quite similar, like seen on other Honor devices. At the bottom, you will find some product details, and as you can see, this is a high-end variant, coming packed with whopping 6GB RAM, and 128GB of massive storage. Just after opening the lid, you will find the phone. There's also a small package inside the box, having some basic things of the phone. So, there's a SIM ejector tool over here, along with a transparent flexible case. Moving further, you will find some major accessories of the phone. Here is a power adapter. And it seems to be a 10 watts fast charger. Along with the adapter, there's a micro USB cable inside, not a Type-C cable, which is disappointing. Even reaching close to 2019, Honor is still providing micro USB cable, mostly with their budget phones. Anyways, this is all we get with its packaging. Time to have a look at the phone itself. So here is the phone itself, with its attractive design. Just look at the two-tone color finish over here, it is an eye-catching finish. This is a gradient design we used to see with other Honor devices. There's a combination of gradient blue and silver color. Apart from that, the fingerprint sensor is also matching with the back panel. Really, this is the most unique colored design I have ever seen on any phone. It even looks better than the high-end Magic 2, isn't it? The glass back is curved at the sides, providing a better grip. As you can see, the variations on both of these phones are looking beautiful. So when it comes to the design department, I would love to know your opinions in comments. It's now time to move on the front. The Honor 10 Lite comes with a 6.21-inch Full HD Plus LCD display, having a 90% screen-to-body ratio. The display looks quite sharp and vibrant, and the phone feels extremely compact. Something like a traditional 5.2-inch smartphone. So, you may have noticed that circular notch on the top of the display that Honor calls Pearl Notch. The notch is extremely small in size, having a major role in increasing phones' screen-to-body ratio. The notch doesn't feel distractive to me, and it is a great way of making the phone more beautiful. The notch comes packed with a 24-megapixel selfie shooter with f/2.0 large aperture. In addition, the selfie camera is loaded with lots of new features with the help of AI, so we can say there's no compromise with the front camera of the phone. Now let's talk about the phone's hardware. The Honor 10 Lite is powered by powerful Kirin 710 chipset, which is a decent processor for mid-rangers. The processor is paired with up to 6GB of RAM, and up to 128GB of storage. The interface of the phone is really smooth, thanks to a powerful chipset. The bezels of the display are really slim, thanks to COF panel packaging technology. For sure, the bezels are not that much slim, as on the Honor Magic 2, but compared to other budget devices, it seems to be a great deal. The main highlight here is the reduction of the thickness of bottom chin, thanks to panel packaging technology. Really, the phone's look, design, and feel is remarkable. Good job by the company. The Honor 10 Lite comes packed with 3400 mAh battery, with support for fast charging. The battery capacity seems to be okay, and we hope it would be enough for a day at least. For software, it has the latest version of EMUI, which is 9.0, which is supported by the latest and the greatest Android 9.0 Pie. Just check out the smoothness of the interface, with full screen gestures, and also, the controls are simple and easy to use. The multitasking layout has been completely changed, as compared to previous EMUI 8.2. And the UI is now more simple and good looking. Other features of the phone include GPU Turbo 2.0 for more intensive gaming experience. For day-to-day use, the phone feels responsive and smooth, and there's no chances of lags at all. However, EMUI is not as good as stock Android, and you may face some minor lags in future. With Kirin 710 and Android Pie, currently it is extremely snappy and fluid. Now, let's have a closer look to phone's camera. It has a 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel dual camera combination with f/1.8 aperture. The cameras comes with features like AI scene recognition, capable of recognizing 22 scenes. Apart from that, it also packs AIS Super Night Scene Mode for brighter pics at night. So that's all guys, you can check its pricing details in description. Let us know your opinions about the device in comments. Thanks for watching, hope you liked the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button for future updates. And as always, keep watching and keep smiling.